In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit indicators on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is add an indicator. So I'm going to go to the bottom right of my chart, tap on the three dots, and here I'm going to go to Tools and then Indicators, and I'm going to just find a random one. For example, I'm going to do Bollinger Bands, okay? So like this, I'm going to tap on it, and there we go. Indicator has been added to my chart. Then to edit the indicator, you want to go back to your chart by tapping the X button top right. And from here, you can see it on my chart right now. So to actually edit this, you have two options. You could either tap on the indicator like that, or you could just tap on the indicator name at the very top left of your screen. Now on there, as you can see, a few things will pop up. The first one is like the eye icon, and the second one is a small settings cogwheel. You want to tap on the small settings cogwheel, and this is where you can basically edit your indicator in the mobile app. So you can edit things like length, and of course different things as well, like style, visibility, etc. And of course, every single indicator is going to have different things you can edit, but that's essentially how you do it. And when you're done customizing, tap on the OK button bottom right, and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.